Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm gonna do 5 2 by 2 Ortega method walkthrough solves. So here's the first scramble, edit of screen now. So on this scramble, what I see is this U prime L, which brings me a white layer, but we don't want layers. I will do this 2 mover orange face, and it is just 2 moves, so it's very easy to predict the OLL. And if you get such easy faces, so you should predict the OLL. So for this OLL, how I predict is this space is just gonna end up at the back. This space will come here, and finally this space will come here, and this piece at the back will come here. So it is a soon case. So for the soon case, I will do U2, then do the soon case, this U2 and this soon case and this PBL. Here's the second scramble at the top of the screen now. So on this scramble, it's just easy 3 mover blue face, and I could do 3 mover yellow, but it is easy, but it can be a bit hard to predict the OLL, and here we can easily predict the OLL. So this space is just gonna come here with R U prime. So this space will come here and this space will come here. With R prime, these two pieces are not gonna affect. So this space is just gonna come here, so there will be a bar here, and this space is not gonna move. So we know that it is a T case. So T case and this PBL. Here's the third scramble at the top of the screen now. So on this scramble, I can do F2 U prime RU R prime. So I could also do orange. So U2 L2 U prime L, or insert it at the back. So I'm gonna do U2 and then R2 U prime R, and this OLL, which goes like this, and this PBL. So here's the fourth scramble at the top of the screen now. So on this scramble, what I see is this F prime L prime UL green face. So I'm going to just do that. This OLL, which goes like this, and PBL, which goes like this. So finally, here's the last scramble at the top of the screen now. So on this scramble, I can do this orange with U prime RF R U prime R prime, but it is a bit long. So I'm gonna do yellow with U prime R prime U prime R prime. So I'm do at the back, so the bar will front me. This OLL and this PBL. So there were no rotations in the solve, which is pretty good. So that's it for my example solve. I hope you enjoy.